I bought myself a 3080 graphics card on eBay, and we're gonna put this bad boy in there, and you know, see how it goes. But yeah, so we're gonna shut this guy down, and we're gonna put this card in. So, alrighty, let's go ahead and unplug this, and I'm gonna put the computer on the side here, and I'm going to pull this latch in the back to lift the cover off. There's the inside. And I'm going to remove this here, this little latch here to take the fan out. So I got room here. Then we're going to pull this back. First, let me pull the cable out. Then we're going to pull this back. And then we're going to yank this card out. There's like a latch down here to hold it in there. And we're going to push that down, and there we go. Yeah, this is the card I had in there. Yeah, it's an older graphics card that's just temporarily. All right, let's install this bad boy. So make sure I've got room in there. Should fit right on in. I heard it click in there. I just want to make sure it's in there really well. And then we're going to close this. We're going to add it some power. These little connectors, so GPU gets its. Alright, oh, that one's too short. Here we go. Alrighty. Probably put these back so, you know. However, I don't want to make the wires too tight, you know. There we go. I don't want to make it too tight. Let's stick it right there. Let's put it right there. All right, and then we're going to put the cover back with the fan. And this kind of holds the graphics card in, so, you know, that lever stays there. That's that. And there we go. I'm going to turn it on the side there. And I see the card is in there. Plug in the video. Plug the power in. And hit the power button. There we go. Card looks good. It's in there. I'm getting a video display. It's locked in there. And let me log in here. Looks like it detected it. That's good. Yeah, there you go. It actually did detect it. I loaded the drivers earlier for the computer, so it detected it. There we go. AMD Ryzen 9 12 core processor. There you go, NVIDIA graphics adapter. At 240 hertz. Yeah, here we go. Alrighty. Fortunately, I don't have any games to test, but there we go. So that's straightforward. Just make sure you get the drivers. Like I said, I loaded them already in advance before I install the card in there, and that's it.